everybody, welcome back to another video. It's Ace Coding here, and today I'm going to be teaching you all about numbers and expressions in Python. Python can also be used as a kind of calculator. So if I put 1 plus 1, it will say 2. It can also handle big numbers like that plus that. It gives us this. It's not only addition, but it's subtraction, minus, multiplication, and division. Wait, but subtraction and minus are the same thing. So if I could do 9 divide 3. That's 3.0, which is the same as 3. I could do 3 times 3. But be careful, because you don't want to do this, or it's going to be an error. You should do the proper multiplication sign, which you can get by shift holding 8. So it's kind of like a flower. 3 times 3. Then it will give us 9. And if I do this, take away this, it gives us this. You can also do decimals. 0.1 add 8.9. That's 9.0, which is the same as 9. 60.8 times 526.988. That's 32,034.303999. Blah blah blah. You can also use expressions. So I could say A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3. So we know that A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. So if I put A plus B plus C, it equals 6, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. And we know that they equal A, B, and C. Again, you can also do the other 3 symbols. You could do C take away B. That's going to give us 1. I could do A times C, which will be 3. And I can do C divide B, which will be a decimal number. 1.5. Python is just like a calculator. But if you put like 88 take away 100, it's minus 12, because it can also go into minus numbers. So say if I put that take away this minus 999999999 blah blah blah. It can handle very big numbers. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you can get notified every time I make a video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.